If you create in acrylic art, it's important to seal and protect it for years to come. I am using a triple thick brilliant brush-on gloss glaze from decoart. Before applying varnish, make sure that the original painting is completely dry. Do not shake the bottle before applying the varnish to avoid forming any bubbles. Use a soft acrylic brush. Cover all areas evenly. Try your best not to overlap or don't overwork. Remove the excess. Make sure there are no bubbles. The varnish is self-leveling, distributing evenly on the surface. Also, it's fast drying, so you need to work it quickly. It dries to a smooth, high-gloss permanent finish, forming a substantial protective coat. This varnish delivers 3 times the thickness compared to other varnishes, so one layer is enough to create a diamond-clear, high-gloss finish. But if you have a textured surface, want a thicker layer and additional protection, multiple coats can be applied too. But wait at least 3 hours between the coats. Make sure they are completely dry and not tacky. You will notice that the high gloss finish adds more depth to the colors underneath, increasing their saturation. If you are planning on taking some pictures of your art, take them before applying the varnish, as sometimes a strong glossy glaze affects the pictures. Also, this varnish is weather-resistant and water-repellent for outdoor use. It is acid-free, so it is suitable for working indoors. It has low toxicity and is almost odorless. It is water-based, so it's easy to clean up with water, and it will not turn yellow over time. At the end, allow to dry for 24 hours to make sure your project is completely dried and cured. I hope you found my video useful. Please like and subscribe so we can stay in touch and create more art projects together in my next video.